Very good morning, all of you. So today we'll start MCQ questions. Okay. So exercise 5C's, all the MCQ questions we have to discuss today. So all of you listen carefully. First question, question 9. A flight from Dehradun stops at New Delhi. A flight starts from Dehradun and stops where? New Delhi, and then continues to Jaipur. Got it? So the flight time, किसके बारे में बात करें? टाइम. द फ्लाइट टाइम फ्रॉम देहरादून टू न्यू दिल्ली इज अबाउट 3/5 hour. Okay, and the flight from New Delhi to Jaipur is about 4/5 hour. So we have to find out the total time. Very simple questions. If I say a flight from Dehradun to Delhi 2 hour and again continues Delhi to Jaipur 2 hours. So total timing is how much? That is 2 plus 2, 4 hours. But here fraction is given, so we'll add and your answer will come. So we will find out answer like this way. This is your Dehradun to New Delhi, that is taken 3/5 hour. Okay, and New Delhi to Jaipur, that is taken how much? 4/5 hour. 4/5 hour. Okay, now we'll add them. So 5 here, LCM is 5. Okay, now 5, if this is which type of fraction? Like fraction. 3/5, 4/5, denominator same, LCM same, and when LCM same, then numerators are only added. So 3 plus 4 how many? 7, and 7/5, that is the answer. And 7/5 you have to change into you change, see here, numerator. So this is divided by denominator 5. So 5 1 is 5, remaining 2, remainder 2. So we can write down 1, write down here, and 2/5. Okay, if you change, that is coming. But in your question 7/5 not change into mixed fraction, because in your question says find out in minute. Okay, option is there: 50 minutes, 1 hour, 1 hour 24 minutes, and 1 hour 30 minutes. So convert into minutes. How we convert? See here, 7/5 hour is equal multiply 60. 1 hour is equal to कितना मिनट्स होता है? 60 minutes. That's why we'll multiply by 60. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 12 ja. So 12 7 ja 84. 84 minutes is equal to how many hours? If I convert, then 1 hour 24 minutes. 1 hour 24 minutes. इसको कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं आपको बता देता हूँ मैं. अगर आप 60 से डिवाइड करो, 60, if we divide by 60, then your answer will come 1 hour 24 minutes. Option is there? Yes, option number C. So that is the answer of the question. I hope all of you understand. Now comes in question, next question. Now all of you see question number 12. In your question number 12 says Sanaya is making a pudding for which is she requires 3/4 cup of crushed nuts. Okay, got it? 3/4 cup of crushed nuts. If she has 2/5 cup of crushed nuts, then how much more does she need? Very simple question. ठीक है, 3/4 cup तो require है, but she has 2/5 cup of crushed nuts. So how much require? So if I subtract, okay, then your answer will come. So we'll subtract, check it. What is the answer of this? 3/4 she require. Okay, and how much she have? Minus 2/5. Now take LCM. 4 and 5, if we take LCM, then 20 LCM will come. Then 20 divided by 4, that is how much? 5. And 5 multiplied by numerator. Minus 20 divided by 5, that is how much? That is 4. 4 multiplied by 2. Now 5 3 ja 15, minus 4 2 ja 8/20. So 15 minus 8, that is 7/20. So 7/20 cup of crushed nut required. So option is there. Let's check. Yes, 7/20. That is the answer. I hope all of you understand. Now comes in next question. Okay, sorry, that is question number 12 we will discuss, but we will discuss first of all question number 10. Okay, already question number 12 completed ours. So now see question number 10. Saira walked for 11/25 kilometer on Saturday. Got it? On Saturday how many kilometer? 11/25. And 17/25 kilometer on Sunday. Then how much more did she walk on Sunday? On Sunday how much more? Same question. Again I'm telling you, Shaida worked for 11/25 kilometer on Saturday and 17/25 kilometer on Sunday. So how much more did she work on Sunday? So if we subtract, then your answer will come out from which to which. So 17/25 minus 11/25. On Sunday she worked 17/25 kilometer, and on Monday, that is explanation part, okay. Not Monday, that is Saturday, that is 11/25 kilometer. So how much more she worked in Sunday? It is 17/25, bigger fraction minus smaller fraction 11/25. So 25 is the LCM when that is same denominator than numerator as it is 17 minus 11. So 17 minus 11, that is 6/25. So 6/25 kilometer more worked, okay, much more worked on Sunday. So that is your answer. Check which. Yes, so 17/25, that is the answer of the, okay. 6/20, sorry, this is our answer. Okay, now we will solve 11 question in our next